We worked through the process of how to maximize productivity, and certainly was beneficial to us. I'm Jerry Zipton, facility manager here at Midwest Warehouse and Distribution. We're in Woodridge, Illinois. We also have probably about 12 locations at this point. Most of them food grade distribution facilities, anywhere from the 250,000 square feet to probably about 800,000 square feet. Well, when the facility started, we didn't have any racking up at all. So it was a clean slate to start with. When Crown came in and recommended the different trucks and applications, the productivity was certainly very high. Crown came in and gave us a lot of ideas and put a lot of ideas on the table. A good portion of our product is full truckload in. So we have our rack set up to be double deep racks, 10 to a spot, so a truckload is one bay. Truckload in, truckload out, we can control and allow the control of an area per truckload. We worked through the process of how to maximize productivity, and certainly was beneficial to us.